Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share, I will bake cake using mung beans or mongo beans and mashed pumpkin. Yan guys, I will mix this together, so I gonna call this cake mungkin cake. So guys, di ba? Okay yun, combination ng mongo at saka pumpkin, di mungkin. Hello everyone, welcome back. As I have said guys, I will bake a cake and I use only 1 egg using mongo beans and mashed pumpkin. So I will now mix all these ingredients. And now I will put this mashed pumpkin. Ubusin ko na siya. Pero yung mongo guys, I will not put all this. I just take like 1 cup. See? Kasi it's too much and the Pyrex is small. So yan lang. Hindi ko na siya ubusin. I-set aside ko na yan. Para hindi maraming abubot dito. Okay. Again, I mixed all. Make sure guys, when you cook mongo, it should be overcooked. So, malambot talaga siya, smooth. And also, when you boil, the pumpkin should be very smooth. So, it is easy to mash it. So guys, and then I will add this. I have left a little amount of tapioca flour. This one, tapioca flour. Ang tapioca flour guys, yung cassava, yung flour from cassava. Busin ko na siya kasi kunti naman. Yun naman yung aking apron. Kaya mag-apron talaga ako. Ayoko na dudumihan ako guys. And I will mix also this small amount. Maybe this is 3 or 2 tablespoons of milk. I will just put all. Mix all guys, and then I'm gonna add the sugar. Just estimate not too much sweet. This is a kind of healthy sugar. Medyo dami-dami ito. I just make it 4 tablespoons. But this kind of sugar guys is you are free safety this. That is healthy sugar. And I will add now this wheat flour. Just like estimate it for 1 cup. I don't have measuring cup in here. Just estimate all the ingredients. Oh, it's equivalent already, I think, for 1 cup. So guys, patayin ko muna kasi hahaba na ang video. So, see you later after all I mix this well. Hello everyone, welcome back. And now guys, it's now done everything. So, it's now ready to put in an oven. I use now 2 Pyrex kasi may Pyrex dito na isa. So, pwede kong gamitin muna habang hindi pa kinukuha ng amo ko. So, guys, we will now sit in an oven. Guys, it's now started baking inside now in the oven, and I set it in a 250 degree. So I will adjust it, guys, later if this is malapit na siyang maluto, guys. I will adjust the heat or anumang tawag dyan. Basta i-adjust ko siya, guys, mamaya. Pwede ko siyang babaan ng 200 to 150 to 500 to 100 until sa maging 50. Ina-adjust ko siya under the lower. Hello, guys! Luto na siya, guys. It's now done. Look at that. Hello, guys. Ito na, guys. Kinuha ko na siya sa oven. Tapos na siya. So, ngayon, mag-i-snack ako. At bukod na video yun, of course, para hindi mahaba. So, once again, guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na upload ko. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!